Craving crispy, delicious meals without all the extra oil? In this video, I'm reviewing the top 4 best air fryers to compare cooking performance, capacity, ease of use, and overall value, so you can choose the perfect one for your kitchen. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven, 17 touchscreen presets fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shutoff, large ease of view window. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is designed for buyers who want a versatile countertop appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets. It's best known for combining air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, rotisserie cooking, and convection baking into one 10-liter unit with 17 one-touch cooking presets. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. The spacious 10-liter capacity makes it suitable for families, while the large viewing window lets you monitor food without opening the door and interrupting the cooking process. The digital touchscreen is simple to navigate, and the automatic shutoff feature adds extra convenience and peace of mind. Its convection cooking also helps produce crispy results using less oil than traditional deep frying. This air fryer is best for families, home cooks, meal preppers, and buyers looking for an all-in-one cooking appliance. However, those with very limited kitchen space or who only need basic air frying may find a smaller model more practical. Overall, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer delivers excellent versatility, generous cooking capacity, and user-friendly operation, making it a strong choice for anyone looking to simplify everyday cooking. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT, PFAS-free ceramic coating, dark gray 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5-level fan speeds, 9-in-1 air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm, safety lock, 1725W. The Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer is built for buyers who want fast, consistent cooking performance in a compact and easy-to-use design. It's best known for its powerful airflow system, wide temperature range, PFAS-free ceramic coating, and 9 cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, reheating, and proofing. Whether you're preparing weeknight dinners, frozen snacks, vegetables, or homemade desserts, it delivers quick cooking with crispy results and minimal oil. One of its biggest strengths is cooking precision. The 5 fan speed levels and adjustable temperatures from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit provide greater control for different recipes, while the ceramic-coated basket is designed for durability and easier cleanup. The 6-quart capacity is large enough for most families without taking up excessive counter space, and the safety lock adds extra confidence during everyday use. This air fryer is best for busy families, couples, students, and home cooks who want reliable everyday performance without a bulky appliance. However, buyers who frequently cook for large groups or want features like a rotisserie may prefer a larger multifunction oven instead. Overall, the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer offers an outstanding balance of speed, versatility, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for everyday cooking in modern kitchens. Number 3. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 24 cooking functions and digital controls, 7 accessories included, stainless steel finish, 26 QT capacity. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is designed for buyers who need a spacious, multifunction appliance that can handle everything from quick snacks to full family meals. It's best known for its 26-quart capacity, elegant French door design, 24 cooking functions, and digital controls. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, toasting, broiling, or reheating, it offers the flexibility to replace several countertop appliances while providing enough space to cook multiple servings at once. One of its biggest strengths is capacity and versatility. The large interior easily accommodates family-sized meals, making it ideal for holiday cooking, meal prep, or entertaining guests. The French doors provide convenient access to food, while the digital controls simplify selecting the right cooking function. With 7 included accessories, users can prepare a wide variety of recipes without purchasing additional equipment, making it a practical all-in-one kitchen solution. This appliance is best for large families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone wanting a multifunction countertop oven. However, buyers with limited kitchen space or those who only cook small portions may find a compact air fryer more suitable. Overall, the Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Oven delivers outstanding versatility, generous cooking capacity, and everyday convenience, making it an excellent choice for busy kitchens. Number 4. Gourmet Air Fryer, 4QT capacity. Fry Force 360. Digital display with 8 presets. Roast, bake, broil, dehydrate. Dishwasher-safe accessories. Compact. The Gourmet 4-quart air fryer is built for buyers who want a compact and easy-to-use appliance for healthier everyday cooking. It's best known for its Fryforce 360-degree air circulation technology, digital display, 8 one-touch cooking presets, and versatile functions including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating. One of its biggest strengths is simplicity. The digital controls make cooking straightforward, while the compact 4-quart basket is ideal for individuals, couples, or small households. Dishwasher-safe accessories also make cleanup quick and convenient after meals. Despite its smaller size, it offers enough flexibility to prepare a wide variety of foods without taking up the space required by larger countertop ovens. This air fryer is best for students, apartment dwellers, couples, and anyone looking for a space-saving appliance for everyday meals. However, buyers who regularly cook for large families or want features like rotisserie cooking and extra-large capacity may prefer a larger multifunction model. Overall, the Gourmet 4-quart air fryer offers an excellent combination of convenience, compact design, and reliable cooking performance, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Whichever air fryer you choose, I hope this comparison made your decision easier. Check the links in the description for today's top picks, and if you found this review helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next comparison video.